What's up, guys? It's Carlos, and today I am going to show y'all this GMC Acadia and what we're doing to it. As of right now, the mechanic has been struggling for a good 20 minutes to try and back that trailer into the shop where we just got a transmission for this. I think he might have finally got it. He almost had it. He did take out this. Wow! What happened? Yo, he's terrible with this little trailer. But right here we've got a GMC Acadia transmission. So right here we've got a 08 GMC Acadia transmission that we was doing axles to it. And sadly, the driver's side axle would not come out. We believe that the little ring, this ring right here, is stuck in there. So, sucks, but we had to pull the transmission out. That's just, I mean, this is terrible. We try to force it out, put it in. It's just, I mean, initially we're causing damage to the transmission. So we're just gonna swap it out. Online, we've seen way too many videos that showed the engine and the transmission being removed from the car, dropped underneath, and we couldn't figure out if we had to pull the actual engine and transmission to get it out. But here's how it actually comes out. Here's the old transmission, and as you can see, the engine is up there hanging. There is plenty of room for the transmission to come out. You do have to pull the subframe, all this right here, leave the struts in, lower the subframe, move it out of the way, remove the axles, and unbolt the exhaust, pull off the catalytic converter on the front to get the starter out, pull the flywheel bolts off, and it does come down here. You are going to need that tool up there. Let me try to get a better image of that. That right there is what you're going to need. That way you can support the engine from up top and be able to do this job on this. One thing I don't see online is how long these jobs call for. This one right here calls for 12 hours worth of labor. Took him a little bit, let's see, ¿cuántas horas tardó para sacarla? ¿Unas 7? 7. Took him about 7 hours to get it out. He does work a little slower than most, but hey, he gets it done. He said his legs hurt and everything, but it's out now. Honestly, he got it out quicker than what I was expecting, and now it's time to, get the other one up there and hopefully get this car back to the customer. Either tomorrow, I'm guessing tomorrow it should go back to the customer. But hey, this is more of a car dealership, auto, anything to do with auto channel. Make sure to subscribe. Let me know if y'all like this stuff. I just needed to post this because GMC Acadia, everybody was pulling the engine and the transmission. You don't have to do that. You can just pull the transmission out. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. As you can see, transmission is up where it goes. ¿No batalló?
No,
Para esta? ¿Para que quepa?
No.
He said it wasn't hard to actually get it to go into place and everything, so there's that, plenty of room. Just got to make sure the engine is held up.